Knowing when your front brake pads are done comes down to four main signs: what you see, what you hear, what you feel, and how the vehicle responds. Front brakes handle about 60% to 70% of the stopping power, so they wear out faster than the rears. Here is exactly how to check them. 1. The visual check, the most reliable way. If your car has alloy wheels with open spokes, you can usually look right through them to inspect the outer brake pad. Look at the thickness. Look at the brake caliper clamped onto the shiny, circular metal rotor. Inside the caliper, you will see the brake pad pressed against the rotor. You are looking at the friction material, the chunk of wearable material bonded to the metal backing plate. The 3mm rule: brand new pads usually have around 10mm to 12mm of friction material. If the material looks less than 3mm thick, about the thickness of 2 pennies stacked together, they need to be replaced soon. If it is less than 2mm, change them immediately. 2. The sound tests. Brake manufacturers build dynamic warning systems right into the pads to let you know when time is running out. High-pitched squealing or chirping. Most modern pads feature a small metal clip called a wear indicator. When the friction material wears down to the critical limit, this metal clip makes contact with the spinning brake rotor. It creates a distinct, constant squeal or chirp while driving that usually goes away when you actually step on the brakes. Harsh metal on metal grinding. If you hear a loud, rough scraping sound like grinding stones together, when you press the brake pedal, you have gone past the warning clip. The friction material is completely gone, and the bare metal backing plate of the pad is carving directly into your iron brake rotor. This destroys the rotors quickly and drastically cuts down your stopping power. 3. What you feel through the pedal and wheel. Pulsation or vibration. If the steering wheel shakes or the brake pedal pulsates rapidly under your foot when you brake at highway speeds, it usually means the rotors have developed thickness variation or severe hotspots, often called warped rotors. This frequently happens when worn, overheated pads cannot transfer heat properly. Spongy pedal or low bite. If the pedal feels soft, goes down much closer to the floorboard than usual, or you notice you have to press significantly harder to get the vehicle to come to a stop. The pads are likely worn thin or glazed from overheating. Check your brake fluid reservoir. As front brake pads wear down, the caliper pistons have to extend further out to push the thinner pad against the rotor. This pulls more brake fluid out of the master cylinder reservoir. If you notice your brake fluid level has dropped closer to the line over time, without any visible leaks, it is a classic sign that your front pads are getting very thin. If you are noticing a specific sound or feel while driving, let me know in the comment section.